3,
Even
4.
Chips?
Don't eat them all!
Only for me.
Not fair!
Relax, share the chips.
These sandwiches are very delicious.
Yes, and the sunset makes everything feel perfect.
Man ever! And I've got a snowball ready!
I'll roll this one for the hat.
Yeah, ever?
Totally! Let's head to the beach!
Wait, we don't even have surfboard.
Cold boost.
This drink feels like pure energy. I'm ready for another round.
And it feels like we could take on the whole city.
All right, let's check out how to use the upgraded lip sync feature. Just like before, head over to the global sidebar on the left and click on Lip Sync. Now, at the top left, you can choose between normal and pro models, which will give you different levels of output quality. In the center of the screen, you'll see the option to upload either an image or a video. Let's start with an image. Down below, you can pick something directly from the canvas or upload it from your computer. The system will automatically detect faces. Here, just select the 4 faces you want. Click Next, and you'll see 4 speakers with their own tracks. On each track, you can either use text-to-speech or simply upload your own audio. For this demo, we'll just upload an audio file. And here's something important. You can even add multiple audio clips to the same track. Once you're done, hit Generate. And your video will be ready in no time.
Chips?
Don't
Only
eat them
for
all!
me.
Hey, not fair!
Relax, share the chips.
Of course, you can also upload a video to create lip sync. Click Upload a face video, choose your clip, then follow the same steps. Select the faces, hit Next. And add your audio tracks. And here's the exciting part. Lip Sync has now been upgraded, so uploaded videos can even use Pro Mode. Click Generate and boom! Your new video is done.
Maybe it wants to tell us a secret!
Or maybe it's hiding candy inside.
Pretty cool, right? You can use the exact same process to make your own lip sync videos. So go ahead and try out the upgraded lip sync for yourself.